Hello everyone, this is Paritosh. This is my first travel blog. That's why I look for extra blessings. We are going to Midnapur Balaji and I'll keep sharing all the details during the journey. 6:16 a.m. Approaching to Faridabad. Our car has both options, that is petrol and CNG, but obviously CNG is cheaper and environment friendly, so we get filled CNG. It's Palwal, a center for cotton trade in the Delhi NCR region. This overbridge crossing throughout the Palwal. It's Mathura and we are on Mathura Jaipur Road. Before to Balaji, we will visit Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary.
Time 10:05 a.m. This is Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Now it is renamed as Kevladev National Park.
Kevladev National Park has been inscribed upon the World Heritage List of the Convention concerning the protection of the world cultural and natural heritage. Inscription on this list confirms the exceptional universal value of a cultural or a natural site which deserves protection for the benefit of all humanity.
Now we are inside the park. The park remains open throughout the day. If we look at the tariff, it's not so high, but the most attractive rate is for the students, that is rupees 41 only, whereas for an Indian adult it is rupees 111.
To visit the park inside, we hired Tanga, but very soon we realized it is the slowest Tanga. Its driver informed us running up the horse is not allowed. This man-made wetland protects over 350 species of migratory and resident birds. Among them, stork attracted us most. Here is a colony for them. Storks are large birds with long bill and legs. They are of two types, Asian open bill and painted stork. Asian open bill has dull pink legs and dull grey open bill. The gap between upper and lower beaks allows it to hold large snails and similar to that while feeding. The earliest to breed heronry. Whereas painted stork have yellow bill and rose patch on the shoulder. Can be seen feeding and shielding the young one from sun in the nesting colonies. Really good to watch them again and again. Time 1:15 p.m. Temperature 34 degrees centigrade. We were tired after remaining 2 hours in this hot sun, so made an exit from the park and started car to go for final destination Balaji Temple. Time 2:50 p.m. We reached at Mehdipur Balaji. Here facilities for bathing and getting fresh is available at very cheap rate. We got one room with attached bathroom in 100 rupees only for all 5. We entered into premises of main temple at 4:20 p.m. Now we'll see at inside temple. Here light is little less. We are standing in the queue and moving forward slowly. But some of the devotees run in middle of the line and like he is insane and trying to reach Balaji idol very fastly. It is said they are captured by Pret Atma, the negative energy. It was scary too. Outside the temple, it was fearing environment. Don't know exactly about the Pret Atma and the negative energy, but it is said devotees get cured here by the blessings of Balaji. Hope so. At the exit gate, There are some shops to buy gifts. I feel it better. Journey was towards its end, but any traveling can't be completed without food. It was 7:30 in evening. We entered into a roadside dhaba and requested for a local Rajasthani dish, dal bati churma. Let's have a look.
ये तो बाटी है
अच्छा,
और ये दाल है।
फिर चूरमा अलग चीज है,
हाँ चूरमा भी आ रहा है।
अभी आ रहा है।
हाँ चूरमा आ रहा है।
कैसे बनाते हैं इसको?
रोटी बनाए ले छे तवा वाला अथी वाला चुल्ही वाला
हाँ,
गरम करारा कूट दे छे ओकरा
रोटी के कूट करके।
हाँ क्रीम भूने छे फिर भून के ओकरा में पूरा के साथ खाए छे।
अच्छा, दाल बाटी चूरमा खाने के बाद हमने वापस दिल्ली के लिए प्रस्थान किया। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।